Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create pivot table in Excel. Alright guys, here I have prepared my data on my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see that I have a large amount of data right here, so it will be so useful if I create pivot table to analyze this data. So for example, I'm going to create the pivot table to count the average of tree diameter right here. And then the first thing we have to do is selecting the data first. Make sure that you select the whole part of your data, included the header. Alright, and here I have selected all of my data right here, and then we have to click on insert option. Then you're going to click on pivot table and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. And for example, I'm going to select new worksheet and then just click on OK. Alright, and we can edit the pivot table right here guys, so we can start to create it. So for example, for the row, I'm going to add age clue. So just drag the type of the data. I'm going to drag right here for the age data, and then for the column option I'm going to add plot. So just drag the plot data to the column. And then for the values, since I want to count the average of tree diameter, so we have to select the tree diameter. So just drag the tree diameter right here. Okay, and this is the count of tree diameter, and then I'm going to change the values. Just select value field settings, and then you can select average since we want to look for the average of tree diameter. Okay, and this is the result guys. So this is the average of tree diameter, and if you want to count another data, you just need to do the same step. So for example, I'm going to look for the tree height, so just drag the tree height right here. Okay, and then just tap on the tree height, tap on value field setting, then just select the average. You can also select sum, max, mean, and you can explore it by yourself, but just for an example, I'm selecting the average to look for the average of tree diameter, and just click on OK. Okay, and this is the average of tree diameter and tree height. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can create pivot table in Excel. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.